Hi guys, how are you? I hope that you are doing well. The class today is about the conservation of the environment. So, we will start with a short video. The idea is that you become familiar with the topic, so I will show you a video that is called, let me see, one moment please, How to Care of the Environment, 10 Ways to Take Care. Let me see, I want that you relate some vocabulary of this topic. Give me a moment please, I will tell you some vocabulary to take into account. The first word is rubbish or garbage. Rubbish is more common in UK and garbage is more common in American English. So take into account these words. The other word is contaminated. The other word reusable. And the other word recycling. Okay, we will continue here. The other word river, is a full quantity of water. A container is the place where you put the garbage there. Pollution is synonymous of contaminated. Sustainable is something that you can use and don't affect the environment. Sustainable, okay. We will continue. The idea here in this part is that you match some problems with its corresponding meaning. For example, it's like a problem or it's a question. Okay, so why are the oceans getting polluted? What do you think is the answer? Yes, that's true. Oil spills, toxic waste, and accumulation of plastics. Yes. The other one, how can you contribute to caring for the environment? Okay, the first one, separate the garbage, use products that can be reused, and turn off the lights. Remember that. Why does global warming occur? What do you think? Where can you recycle? Containers, yes, in containers of different colors, because it's really important for caring of the environment. So after that, I want that you answer some questions about the topic. The first one, what do you understand by sustainability and environment? What is your answer? Okay, interesting, good. You consider are the ways to conserve the environment. Okay, thank you for your opinion. The last one question is, how can you help to conserve the environment? Okay, thank you so much for your answers. It's really interesting. So, we have here, the idea is that you create a poster. How the water, unfortunately, is contaminated in many countries. So I think it's really important to talk about this. According to this paragraph, and according to the information seen before, please create a poster. So according to this information, according to this paragraph, and according to the information seen before, the idea is that you create a poster which contains a message or reflection about the care of the environment. The idea is that you create a really interesting and a poster that impacts our thinking, our thoughts. So I think it's really interesting to do this exercise. This is a homework. Okay, I will read the paragraph to take it into account. So, water in many developing countries is contaminated with toxic chemicals and also known as toxins. The World Health Organization estimates that 1.1 billion people have little or no access to clean water. In many of these regions, the water that is used for drinking, cooking, and washing is the same water that is used for dumping. Most developing countries cannot afford water treatment facilities. Approximately 80% of infectious diseases in the world are caused by contaminated water. So please, with this information and the information seen before, create the poster. I will show you an example of a poster so you can have an idea how can you create yours. Thank you. Bye.